Gosh, my head hurts.
Hey, Finland, let's play a game.
Okay, my friend Mexico, let's play.
Watch this, Morocco.
Students, you have to listen to me. I'm writing the question of world class. We are doing history. I'm feeling very hungry. This one I will clean it up. Pakistan, come here.
What is your problem, NATO?
I feel very hungry.
Me too. Can we get McDonald's?
No. Students, I will give all third lesson.
Hey, what happened?
Hey, Morocco, watch there.
Let me look.
Oh my God!
3 to 1, go.
I did it. I like fish and chips because it's my favorite food.
Now it's my turn. I did make soup.
What should I cook? What the heck?
What is your problem, Mexico?
I have broken my oven.
It's okay, Mexico. You can play on your phone.
I got an idea.
Hello, sir.
Do you have pizza?
One pizza, $20. Delivery charges $25.
Okay, give me one pizza.
Okay, sir, wait for 1 hour.
Okay, bye, sir. Everyone, let's waiting for 1 hour.
Let's make a food.
Easy!
Time to cook a food. I'm going to eat you.
Run.
Time to cook something.
Let's cook a dessert for me.
You all have 1 hour to finish. Subscribe.
What are you waiting for?
1 hour later.
Hello, sir.
Pizza!
Take your money.
Bye, have a great time!
That's my secret food. The rat isn't stupid plate.
Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
What did you cook, Finland?
Fish and chips.
It's good. What did you cook, Vietnam?
A soup.
Nice. Oh. Nice. Okay. Oh. Enemy spotted. What did I do?
What did you cook, Pakistan?
Hot cross buns.
Wow. Nice.
What did you cook, China?
Wait for 3 seconds.
What did you cook Lithuania?
Spaghetti.
Run.
What did you cook Morocco? What?
Sorry, I didn't cook anymore.
What did you cook Algeria?
A dessert.
Looks like it's in C at K.
Okay.
How does it taste? It's delicious.
I like it.
All right, guys, the cooking is finished. It is time to see your grades.